Welcome to today's video, where we delve into an interesting problem surrounding NTP servers. So, here's the thing, you've got two providers, PublicNTP and NTP Pool, both offering NTP server services without any big IT names or government entities involved. But what exactly sets these two providers apart? Is one better than the other? And what advantages does each bring to the table? Let's find out. In the solution provided, we uncovered some key differences between PublicNTP and NTP Pool. Firstly, it seems that the servers from PublicNTP may no longer exist, as their hostnames failed to resolve to an IP address. On the other hand, NTP Pool operates as a pool of servers selected automatically by a single DNS entry, simplifying the server selection process. Moreover, NTP Pool servers are independently managed by various entities, whereas PublicNTP servers are all operated by the same group of individuals. To wrap things up, it's clear that NTP Pool offers a more robust and dynamic approach to NTP server selection compared to PublicNTP. The scalability and flexibility of NTP Pool server pool make it a more reliable option for users seeking accurate time synchronization. So, next time you're in need of an NTP server, consider the benefits that NTP Pool brings to the table. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Time flies when you're syncing servers, right?